Now, an essential platform that allows you to receive payment in the Caribbean is Payoneer. Now, Payoneer allows you to have multi-currency account. That means you can have a US bank account, you can have a Great Britain bank account, and you can even have a Euro bank account to receive payments. So what it does is that it basically gives you a virtual bank account that you can use like a regular US bank account. Now to register, the link will be in the resource section of this lecture. Now once you're on the website, you're just going to select register, select what you'll be using Payoneer for. So let's say get paid and send payments and more. Here you need to provide your email address to continue. Now you're required to select whether your business is registered or not. So if your business is not registered, you'll be required to provide your first and last name. Then you'll be required to select your region, provide your phone number and the password. You'll also be required to verify your account by providing proof of address, proof of ID, and a bank statement. Now the verification process may be a little bit annoying, but once you're over that, you're all set. Now I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in and show you what the platform looks like. So these are the different types of account that I have with Payoneer. I have a US account, I have a Euro account, and I have a Great Britain account. But in most cases, you only need a US account. Now with Payoneer, it gives you the ability to order a physical or a virtual card. I recommend that you go for the physical card because you can run to the ATM with that card and withdraw cash. Now to order your card, you go to Payoneer cards, then select order a card, and then here you have the option to select a virtual or physical card. Now once you select the physical card, it will ask you for your shipping address and you will need to choose the card currency, and that's just about it for ordering your card. I'm going to step back. Now the next thing you want to do is link your bank account to Payoneer. To achieve that, you're going to go to bank accounts, select bank accounts for withdrawal, and here you have the option to link your local bank account. So once you select your account type, from the drop down you select your country, then from the drop down you're going to select the currency which your bank account is in. So let's say JMD, then select next, and then here you'll just need to provide the banking information, and they have drop downs that will assist you in selecting the right bank. Please note your account need to be verified in order for you to link a bank account. Now once you link a bank account, you'll be able to withdraw from Payoneer directly to your bank account. So let's step back and show you how you would achieve this. So you go to withdraw and transfer, you'd select withdraw to bank, choose a withdrawal option, I'm just going to say withdraw now, then select next. From the drop down, select your balance that you want to withdraw from. Then you're going to select the bank that you want to withdraw to. Then you specify the amount that you want to withdraw, and it will give you an estimate of how much JMD or the equivalent currency will be deposited to your account. Then all you need to do is select review and continue the process. And that's how you'll withdraw money from your Payoneer account to your local bank account. This will take 1 to 3 business days. Now let's step back again. Now by default, if you're not seeing your US bank account, what you need to do is go on bank accounts, then select receiving accounts, and then here's where you'll have the option to request a US account, a Great Britain account, or even a Euro account. So let's select request accounts, then select next, and these are the different types of account that is available for me to request now because I already have some already, right? So I'm not going to proceed, I'm just going to step back. Now in order to view your account details, like your US bank account details, right, you want to go and get paid, then select the bank account that you want the details for, and here it will provide you with the bank account details. So in most cases you need 3 pieces of information. You need the routing number, account number, and the account type, and once you have this, you'll be able to receive payments. So with your Payoneer account, you should be able to receive payments from almost anywhere around the world without any issues. And the great thing is that it allows you to withdraw money directly to your local bank account.